momentous occasion for not just the family of Harnas but entire Chandigarh. We are at Postgraduate College of Sector 42, who is soaking in the glory of a brilliant student who has done her college proud. We are going to talk to the students of the college and let's find out what they have to say. So how are you feeling? Student of the school has done such good.
It is a very proud moment for our college and not for our but whole country, because she represents whole country in the international level where she won the crown of Miss Universe, and we are feeling so much happy. And first of all, I would like to congratulate her to achieving such a great status, or we can say great post, and I would like to congratulate her family as well. And we are celebrating from morning as well. So you can see everyone celebrating and dancing and enjoying the achievement that she has.
We feel so enthusiasm. हम थक नहीं रहे हैं क्योंकि अब सुबह से ना मेरे कॉलेज में उत्सव मनाया जा रहा है कि बहुत ज़्यादा खुश है, टीचर्स भी बहुत खुश है, भी उनका वेलकम होगा जब वो आएंगे, उनके पेरेंट्स भी बहुत खुश होंगे। And we love you Harnas, congratulations.
Like अगर आपके पास opportunity है कि किसी को भी पूरा achieve कर सकते हो, चाहे आपका वो कितना भी बड़ा हो, you will achieve with hard work and sincerity, right?
Right. My name is Shinam Rawat. I remember Harnas used to walk these corridors when I looked up to her. All of us did. तो आज वो इंटरनेशनली इतना बड़ा हमारे कॉलेज के लिए लॉनर लेके आई है. It means huge to us. और इतनी बड़ी इंस्पिरेशन है. वो जब यहाँ भी थी तब भी इंस्पिरेशन थी और वहाँ जाके तो उसने पूरे देश के लिए नाम रोशन किया है. तो we are so proud of her. And thank you Harnas. You've been great. You're doing great. And I hope you do well.
It's a proud moment for all of us. Harnas is certainly made us proud. The dedication, devotion, determination, diligence, intelligence which she acquired over the years, being a student of graduation as well as pursuing her post-graduation, has done remarkably well, and she's put the name of the college at the global level. We all are very, very proud of her.
We are at Shivali Public School where Harnas has spent 6 years as a student. We have Principal Ms. Gurkiran with us, who is going to tell us how Harnas was a student. Ma'am, please tell us.
Well, it's a moment of great honor and pride for Harnas that she has got the coveted title of Miss Universe 2021, and that too, I think, after 21 years. So she's made us all proud by winning this title. And well, if I go back to the memory lane, Harnas was a very courteous and a very well-disciplined student, and she was very regular in her school days, as well as very keenly she participated in various co-curricular activities, and her special interests were usually music and dance related competitions. So she would give performances at the school level for participating in various activities, and especially teachers have very fond memories that she would come traditionally dressed whenever we had celebrations of Children's Day and all in the school. So she would make it a point that she would be very well dressed, and even as a student also she was very well turned out student and very cautious about her school dress whenever it came to that.
So by that, I think she possessed all the qualities of the
Yes, I'm sure she possessed these qualities, and she would always think before speaking. So that's some quality which is really admirable. And what her thought process, like usually we interact with the students. So we give them these things that they are all unique. Then they do not have to compare themselves with anyone. They have to compete with their own self. And these are the few final comments what she has shared in one of her answers also.
Okay. Right.
So it means that somewhere down the lane she had been taking up all these things what the children usually learn, and you never know that which student would really bring laurels like this to the school.
Right. fond memories of Harnaz as a student? How do you recall her?
Yes, I have a picture, I think, that will tell us all. So this is the picture of Harnaz in class 10. So you can very well see that what kind of personality.
Very poised and
Yes, very elegant, very calm.
So we are joined by 3 teachers who have closely watched Harnaz, and we are going to talk about the experiences they have and the memories they have with Harnaz. So beginning with you, ma'am, how do you remember her?
Ma'am, I remember, what I remember is that it is said that the beauty is not in the pretty face, it is in the good heart, good mind, and good soul. And what I feel is Miss Harnaz, she was exactly the combination of all three. So the outer beauty do a text, but inner beauty just activates our inside. So she was one of them. And what I remember is that she was very, very helping hand to her class fellows. So once I was just taking a round in the break and she has given her tiffin to her friend. I asked her, Harnaz, how will you manage that you have given your tiffin to her? She said, ma'am, her mother is not well. I don't want she should go and ask her mother to cook for her. So I have given her. When I'll go home, I'll take it. So the other thing what impressed about her was that her favorite cup of tea was the extracurricular activities, and this helping others was always on the priority list. She was always ready to do that. And what I am happy is she has proved our motto, our school's motto true. Our school motto is victory with determination, and she did it. And God bless you, Harnaz. And I wish you should touch heights of success. God bless.
Coming to you, ma'am. Any experience or any memory you have of Harnaz?
Since morning I am celebrating Harnaz's victory, and I am very proud of myself also because I teach her in class 6th, 7th and 8th. I was her class teacher also, and one thing I remember about Harnaz is her beautiful smile. And I used to tell my children in the class that students, like smile is such type of thing that makes everything straight. You must have to wish everyone with a smiling face. Be the first to wish others and to smile. Be the first to give a smile. So she was one of my students. And I used to tell her, whenever you see someone without a smile, give them yours. She always wishes that. And one thing is, we can say that it's beyond any doubt that somebody else be your motivator.
Right.
She is constant. She constantly motivates her. Her means you can say nobody can judge you better than yourself. So she is such type of person. Very amiable girl, friendly girl, lively. That's all.
Very grounded.
So
too.
all the best to Harnaz and celebrate your own self.
So what about you, ma'am?
First of all, my congratulations to Harnaz. We are really, really proud of you. And Harnaz, as I remember her, was a very calm and composed girl. And she did have a good group of friends with whom she communicated well. And of course, in the class also, right from the beginning, she was really able to communicate her thoughts well. So she has proved it, and her victory is a testimony to this fact that she has lived up to the ideals of the school also, and with grace, poise, humility, she has done it all. And we are extremely, extremely proud of her and Harnaz. May the sun keep shining on you always, and you've not only made Shivalik proud, but you've made your country also proud. So we are very happy about that, and continue to remain the way you are, humble, grounded, and always looking towards the higher skies. And may you follow your passion and achieve great heights. God bless.